charge happening on the route that the Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Rahul Gandhi have taken. They are walking on their way to Hathras, and the police has indulged in lathi charge. From the visuals that we've been picking up at the moment, the live visuals are coming in at the moment. Priyanka questioning whether the government is trying to silence them and silence the family as well. She has also spoken to India Today. This is an India Today exclusive we're breaking at the moment. Questions arising on why is there so much police deployment when there is a peaceful protest taking place. Remember, there is the opposition has every right to question the ruling establishment in a healthy democracy. They are peacefully marching towards Hathras. Rahul Gandhi has been detained. That's the latest coming in. Flashes across your screen. Rahul Gandhi gets detained while marching peacefully and protesting against the Hathras horror. That's the latest coming in. Gandhis are en route. Hathras, they are peacefully protesting. You can see the Congress workers have indulged in no arson, no violence whatsoever from the visuals that are coming in at the moment. But still, you have the police deployment right there and chaotic visuals coming in on your screen at the moment. We'll get you more on what is happening on ground at the moment. But latest coming in right there on heavy police deployment. Questions are going to be asked on what is the need for heavy police deployment when the Gandhis have decided along with their Congress workers to peacefully walk towards Hathras and a peaceful protest march on the way to, and then you can see the lathi charge visuals right there. Take a look. Let's zoom in a bit to show our viewers what is going on at the moment. There is palpable amount of chaos on ground. Anand is joining us. Anand, what is happening on ground? Is there lathi charge? If so, why? There seems to be no provocation at the moment. I'm going to toss straight across to you to get us the latest.
Well, Chaiti, it's complete chaos here. The Congress workers, led by Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, were marching towards the expressway, towards Hathras, and the police tried to stop them very close to the Jewar Toll Plaza. And when the workers protested, the police lathi charged on them. Some of the workers have incurred injuries. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi were stopped by the police. They were cordoned completely away from the workers for a while. But now it seems that they are walking again, and the police presence has increased manifold, and the senior officials are walking along with them. Doesn't seems to be clear as to what is the plan of the administration. How long will they be walking along with them like this? Because it's a long walk ahead towards Hathras. It's completely, looks, insensible on the part of administration, because, on one hand they allowed the workers to go along, and on the other hand, they have blocked the traffic. I'm joined by Randeep Singh Surjewala, who is walking along Rahul and Priyanka. Surjewala, you can tell us what is happening. This is complete chaos.
BJP government, Yogi government has lost all sense of shame. Their arrogance knows no bounds. Mr. Yogi, we hope, we pray you ever had a daughter and a son. Then you would have known the pain of the gang rape and the body being burnt in the middle of the night. Is this the way police treats people inhumanly? Can they push around? Can they maro dhakka to Shri Rahul Gandhi? How many people will they arrest? How many times will they do lathi charge? They think they can suppress? Are they protecting rapists? Or is this a government that is supposed to beat up the opposition leaders? This is a government that protects rapists. that protects offenders, sexual offenders, and beats up people who fight for their rights.
And we saw that the police had detained Rahul Gandhi for a while. He was surrounded by hundreds of cops. We saw them, both Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka, were huddled in the middle with cops all around.
Why are they suppressing the voice? What is Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi doing? They are walking peacefully on the side of the road. They want to walk 140 kilometers to Hathras. They want to go and share the pain and suffering of the Dalit Valmiki girl. Is that a crime in this country now? Rapists roam scot-free, and Yogi government continues to suppress the voice of opposition leaders.
I think मुझे लगता है फिर से एक बार उनको रोक दिया गया है.
जी.
लग नहीं रहा कि क्या प्लान है पुलिस का, because बार-बार उन्हें इस तरीके से रोका जा रहा है.
योगी आदित्यनाथ को शर्म से डूबकर मर जाना चाहिए. अनाचारी और बलात्कारी वो खुले घूम रहे हैं और राहुल गांधी और सोनिया गांधी और कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ताओं पर लाठी चलाई जा रही है. हम गांधी की पार्टी हैं, शांति प्रिय तरीके से प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, परंतु वो गिरफ्तारी तक देने से क्यों रोक रहे?
ये देखिए मैं विधायक सहारनपुर,
And you can see,
लाठीचार्ज,
you can see,
विधायक सहारनपुर,
the workers have been beaten up by the police. And
क्या यही कानून व्यवस्था है?
हम लोग राहुल जी के साथ हैं. ये देखिए ये विधायक सहारनपुर, ये देखिए अन्यायपूर्ण किस तरह से एक पीड़ित परिवार को किस तरह से लाठीचार्ज.
this is what is happening, complete chaos, Chaiti. Here you can see the workers also very angry, and I think Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi are being taken back again. The cops have completely surrounded them, and they've been stopped once again, and they're turning around. It looks like as if they've only allowed by the on this journey.
Allowed. Isn't it the democratic right to go ahead and peacefully protest? Was there any provocation that led to this kind of police lathi charge in the first place?
इन्होंने हमारी गाड़ी रोकी, हम गाड़ी से उतरे, पैदल गए. नाटक नहीं है, कांग्रेस की आवाज बोल रही है.
राहुल गांधी नीचे गिर गया था, लाइव
बोले हाथापाई क्या बोला.
You can see that
These are disturbing visuals, to say the least, that are coming in at the moment. There is a scuffle that is happening with the cops between Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi and the cops as well. Questions arising on what is the need to deploy so many cops where there is a peaceful protest going on, and what was the need for a lathi charge when there has been no provocation at all. Some of the Congress workers have been hurt as well in this particular lathi charge as well. There was a peaceful protest being conducted by Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi, flanked with other Congress party workers and Congress leaders. They were on their way to Hathras. Remember, their car was blocked, and hence they decided to go by road. They decided to walk towards Hathras, and the visuals coming in at the moment are of the police. All right,
they will not allow this march to go on like this, because the entire highway is blocked now on both sides. You can see the manner in which Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi over there, they're both adamant that this walk will go on, and they say that they will not stop. Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, they are continuing with this walk, and the police maintaining that they cannot allow this walk to go on, and that is the reason why every 500 meters the cops are trying to stop them, accost them, and persuade them to go back. Entire Yamuna Expressway towards Agra is completely blocked from both sides now. The Congress workers walking along with the Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. Chaiti?
We can see chaotic visuals that are coming in at the moment. Anand, are you picking up the reason for this kind of a police lathi charge? Why is it that the police has resorted to lathi charge in the first place? Why is it that we are seeing such heavy deployment? Are they even going to be able to make it on their way to Hathras, or do you think that this is an attempt to stop them from going to Hathras?
Yes, and the police seems to be in a dilemma because they're not able to stop them every time and again. The police is trying to stop them, but they're unable to do so. You can see Rahul Gandhi again mobbed by the police and the workers. And I'm joined by Srinivas. He is the Youth Congress President. Mr. Srinivas, what is this happening?
जिस तरीके से रोकना है, राहुल गांधी जी का मांग क्या है? उस बेटी के साथ अन्याय हुआ है, उस बेटी के साथ न्याय के लिए उनके घर जाके मिलना भी गलत है क्या? आलोप हिंदुत्व हिंदुत्व बोलते हैं, हिंदुत्व खिलाफ है। 6 बजे के बाद, सूर्यास्त के बाद कोई बाड़ी को जलाता नहीं है।
अभी राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी आगे जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
100% आप देख रहे हैं, 2 किलोमीटर पुलिस से ये लड़के आके आगे। राहुल गांधी कभी डरेगा नहीं है, शेर है, इस देश को चाहता है, इस देश को बचाना चाहता है।
आगे जाएंगे कि वापस जाएंगे?
100% आगे जाएंगे, आगे जाएंगे।
They will go ahead. That was the Indian
2022
Congress.
2022 हमारा है।
And you can see them
2022 हमारा है।
trying to reason out with the police.
राहुल गांधी के साथ मुख्यमंत्री भी हेलो
Disturbing visuals that are coming in. There's high drama that is ensuing on this particular peaceful protest that the Congress has conducted on their way to Hathras. Their cars were stopped earlier, so they decided to walk to Hathras, which is over 150 kilometers from where they were. But they still decided on their resolve to go walk towards Hathras. But police has resorted to lathi charge. From the reports that are coming in, from what Anand is bringing, there was no provocation from the Congress party workers. So questions on why is it the police needed to resort to lathi charge remains to be a very big question. Looks like it, from the face of it, they are not going to be allowed to go to Hathras. But the reason has to be provided by UP administration in terms of why is it that a peaceful protest march is not being allowed to go to Hathras at the moment. This is the Hathras horrific tragedy for which Rahul and Sonia Gandhi, along with other Congress leaders, were on their way to show solidarity to the next of kin of the victim as well. And there is a scuffle that is going on of the Congress party leaders with the cops on ground, and big fight of Gandhis versus Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath breaking out at the moment. We have seen visuals coming in of a lathi charge on the Padyatra, which was undertaken by Rahul and Sonia Gandhi. Shocking visuals coming in at the moment. Let's get you more that is going on at the moment. UP police has stopped the Gandhis physically. They slipped away in between from the visuals that are coming in. They started walking again, and these are heated scenes with Rahul Gandhi on Yamuna Expressway. The police, of course, tried to stop Rahul Gandhi as well, but he did manage to slip away. But there is a palpable amount of impediment on ground as he tries to make, they try to make their way towards Hathras, and you can see from the visuals the kind of chaos that is ensuing on ground right there. This is high drama, dramatic visuals coming in from the Yamuna Expressway as the Gandhis are on their way to Hathras along with the Karyakartas of the Congress party. Questions are going to be asked on the UP administration and the UP government in terms of why is it that this kind of police deployment is being seen in the peaceful Padyatra, and in case it was only to maintain the law and order situation, what was the need of the lathi charge?
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.